Let us discuss the topic called parsing and classification of parsing methods. Parsing is nothing but a technique to produce the output of the parsed to produce the output by checking whether a string belongs to that particular grammar or not. It is a technique which takes some input string and produces the output as a parse tree so that it will tell us whether that string belongs to the given grammar or not. The main objective of parsing technique is to produce the output as a parse tree. So with the help of parse tree, it will verifies whether the string belongs to the given grammar or not. There are two types of parsing. First one is top down parsing, other one is bottom up parsing. So in top down parsing, parse tree will be constructed from top to bottom. And when we consider this bottom up parsing, the same parser will start from leaves up to the root. It starts from leaves and it works until to the root node. That is called bottom up parsing. So there are two types of parsers mainly, top down parsers and bottom up parsers. Top down parsers will work from top to bottom. Bottom up parsers will work from root level to the leaf nodes. It will start working from leaf nodes and it will work up to the root level. That is called bottom up parsing. Now these are the classification of parsing methods. First of all, we have said that there are two types of parsing methods, top down parsing and bottom up parsing. Under top down parsing, we have the methods like backtracking and predictive parsing. So this backtracking method and parsing without backtracking, both the methods will comes under the category of top down parsing. Again, under this predictive parsing method, we have two other techniques. One is LL of one parser, next one is recursive descent parser. Try to understand the hierarchy. Top down parsers are two types: parser with backtracking, parser without backtracking. So again, parser without backtracking is having two programs. One is LL1 parsing, other one is recursive descent parsing. Next, when we go to this bottom up parsers, there are mainly two types. One is operator precedence bottom up parser. Next one is LR parser. Operator precedence parser and LR parser. And LR parsers of three types: SLR, CLR and LA-LR parsers. So SLR stands for simple LR parser, CLR is canonical LR parser, LA-LR stands for look ahead LR parser, look ahead LR parser, right? So we have understood the meaning of LL1. LL1 means what? Here we have two L's. One L indicates scanning the input string from left to right. One L indicates scanning the input string from left to right. So another L indicates, I told you what is the use of another L, leftmost derivation. We are using leftmost derivation for the input string. We are scanning the input from left to right and we are using leftmost derivation for the input string. One means input symbol. We will use only one input symbol to predict the parsing process. Anyhow, this is about our classification. So we will understand the remaining things. In the further discussions. So this is the hierarchy and classification of parsing methods.